Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to study about pronouns. Now what are pronouns? Now let's study. A pronoun is a word used for a noun. Noun की जगह पे हम यूज करते हैं pronoun. It is of the same person, gender and number as the noun for which it is used. Thus pronouns are substitutes for nouns to avoid repetition. Basically pronouns avoids repetition. Pronouns help in it helps in to avoid repetition. To avoid repetition. Fine. For example, if I say Aman is a name. Aman is a good boy. Aman goes to school daily. Aman is a topper. So what is the thing which is repeating again and again? The noun which is Aman. So जब भी हम सेंटेंस लिखते हैं बार बार एक चीज़ एक वर्ड को बार बार रिपीट नहीं करते सेंटेंस पे, वो अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हमें उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए उसकी जगह क्या यूज़ करेंगे? प्रोनाउन यूज़ करेंगे. जैसे हम क्या कर देंगे, अमन की जगह अमन इज़ अ गुड बॉय, यहाँ पर हम अमन नहीं लिखेंगे, यहाँ हम लिखेंगे he goes to school daily and he is a topper. अगेन अमन की जगह हमारा क्या आ जाएगा? ही. तो यहाँ से हमें क्या पता चला कि जो रिपीटिशन हो रहा है उसको अगर हमने चेंज करना है, दूसरा वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं उसकी जगह ही यूज़ किया जैसे हमने, दैट इज़ अ प्रोनाउन. फाइन. सो देर आर 7 काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस. कितने तरीके के प्रोनाउंस होते हैं? वो 7. चलिए लेट्स स्टडी द 7 काइंड ऑफ प्रोनाउंस. Now the 7 kinds of pronouns is, first is your personal pronouns. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Then the second is your demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrated pronoun. Then the third is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Fine. You just write down all the pronouns. Fine. Then the fourth is the relative pronoun. Relative pronouns. Then is the distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun. Then the next is the reflexive or emphatic pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Now the other one is the interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Fine. So these are different pronouns. Fine. So these are how many? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll just number them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we'll study these. Fine. Now, when I'm talking about the personal pronoun, a pronoun which stands for a person or a thing is called a personal pronoun. जो किसी चीज़ या किसी इंसान के बारे में बात करता है वो क्या है, वो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन है. ठीक है. अब इसके फॉर्म्स एंड केसेस ऑफ द पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस, इसमें फॉर्म्स और केस होते हैं. केस क्या होता है, फर्स्ट स्पीकर, सेकंड स्पीकर, थर्ड पर्सन्स, ये होता है. उसमें नॉमिनेटिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव, पोजेसिव. अब हम वो देखते हैं. अभी हम पहले क्या पढ़ेंगे, पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. ठीक है. नाउ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन में क्या होता है, पर्सन्स होते हैं, नंबर होता है, सिंगुलर, प्लूरल, आपने पहले पढ़ा हुआ है ना. सिंगुलर मतलब एक, प्लूरल मतलब ज़्यादा, है ना. देन देयर इज नॉमिनेटिव. नॉमिनेटिव इज आई, वी, यू, ही, शी. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होता है, मी, अस, दे, दैट. Then there is possessive, my, mine, our, ours, your, yours. Then there is gender, which is masculine and feminine. Fine. So nominative case. Nominative case is NS, a pronoun which is used as a subject. देखिए, nominative, objective and possessive. Okay, nominative, objective and possessive. Now in nominative, what comes under it? I, we, you, he, she, these things come under nominative. And objective में क्या आता है, me, you, him, her, it. Fine. And possessive में क्या आता है, my, mine, your, their, his, hers. ठीक है, these are the possessive. Fine. Now then it is divided into nominative case, objective case and possessive case. Fine. Now when I am talking about nominative case, it is a pronoun which is used as a subject. Nominative case में the pronoun is used as a subject. And when I am talking about the objective case, here the pronoun is used as a object. ये कहाँ लगते हैं, जहाँ पर object use होता है. और ये कहाँ यूज़ होता है, पोजेसिव यूज़ होता है जब आप किसी चीज़ की पोजेशन, हक दिखाते हैं किसी चीज़ पे. दिस इज़ हर पेंसिल बॉक्स, है ना. दिस इज़ माइन पेंसिल बॉक्स. ऐसे पोजेशन. ठीक है. जब हम वो शो करते हैं तो वो हमारा पोजेसिव हो जाता है. नाउ यूज़ ऑफ नॉमिनेटिव एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. नॉमिनेटिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव केस का यूज़ कहाँ होता है, जैसे आई हेल्प्ड हर. ठीक है. आई इज नॉमिनेटिव एंड हेल्प्ड इज ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. ठीक है. वी हेल्प्ड देम, he helped them. So he, we, I, what is that, that is nominative. And I am saying helped is objective. Fine. So when I'm talking about possessive pronoun, it shows possession. This pen is mine. It is saying it's mine. You know, मेरा है, हक दिखा रहे हैं. This book is yours. The bag is his. तो हमें पता है possession, वो उसकी चीज़ है. ठीक है. That is the possession pronoun. So the forms mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs are called possessive pronouns. Now let's move to the next, demonstrative pronouns. Now what are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative. Pronouns, as the name itself suggests. Demonstrate करना है ना. A demonstrative pronoun is used to point the object or objects to which it refers. एकदम जो आपको क्लियरली बता दे कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट किसको रेफर करता है. डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना, एक्सप्लेन करना, बताना. जैसे दिस इज माई पर्स, these are her dolls, this, that, those. These kind of words are used in this, that, those. ये क्या है? Demonstrative है. These are what? Demonstrative. Fine. Now indefinite pronouns. What are indefinite pronouns? Indefinite. Indefinite pronouns. Now what are the indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns do not refer to any particular person or thing, but they refer to nouns in a general way. अब जो indefinite pronouns हैं वो कोई particularly किसी person या चीज़ को नहीं बताते, but yes they refer to a noun. Now how it is? Like if I use word like some, few, others, none, somebody, ये क्या है? ये indefinite pronouns हैं. जैसे some are born great है ना, so some here, like some. Do good to others, none, somebody. Fine, these are what? Indefinite pronouns. Like none of these apples are ripe. Fine, these are what? Indefinite pronouns. Now let's move to the other one. It says interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Now what are interrogative? Again the name suggests itself. Interrogate करना, पूछताछ करना किसी चीज़ के बारे में. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. चलिए करते हैं interrogative. Interrogative pronouns. Gative pronouns are used to ask questions. जब आप किसी से questions पूछ करते हैं. Now as the name itself says interrogate means asking questions. ठीक है, पूछताछ करना किसी चीज़ के बारे में. So interrogative pronouns is used to ask questions. Who teaches you English? आपको English कौन पढ़ाता है? So it is a question. ठीक है? Whom do you want to see? What are you doing? So when you put something into the questions like who, whom, what, which, all these words are used for asking questions. These are what? Interrogative. These are interrogative. Now next is relative pronouns. Relative means all 5 interrogative pronouns become relative pronouns when they relate a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. अब ये जो हमने 1, 2, 3, 4 which and whose is also there. Whose, ये 5 interrogative pronouns हैं. ठीक है, ये जो interrogative pronouns हैं they become relative pronouns when they relate to a noun. जैसे I meet Khushi stood first in the class. Again it is repeating Khushi, Khushi, isn't it? So how I will write it? I met Khushi, who stood first in the class. So who over here is a relative. वो उन दोनों को join कर रहा है, दोनों sentences को join कर रहा है. So it is what? It is a relative. ठीक है? Now the next one says, we met a girl, her brother was given a reward. So it will be, we met a girl whose brother was given a reward. So whose word is used here as a relative. Suppose one sentence I'll do for you. This is the girl, all praise her. This is the girl, all praise her, है ना? तो इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? relative में कैसे convert करेंगे? This is the girl whom all praise. This is the girl whom all praise. Fine. So whom here is relative. Fine. So this is a relative. So you have to note one thing, the nouns or pronouns to which a relative pronouns refers is called antecedent. These are some of the words which you have to know about it. कि इन्हें बोलते क्या हैं हम. Who, whose and whom are used for persons. Which is used for animals. अब ये भी आप ध्यान रखिए. Suppose who, whose and whom. ये देखिए who, whom and whose are used for people. People के लिए use होता है. And which is used for animals and things without life. Animals and things without life. Without life. Fine. And that is used for persons, animals or things. Fine. Now let's study the other one. It is distributive. Distributed pronouns. Fine. Just a minute. Distributive. Distributive pronouns. आप एक चीज़ देखना बच्चों कि जैसा नाम होता है वैसा ही उसका काम होता है. हम जो नाम दिए हुए हैं इन लोगों प्रोनाउंस को, नाउन्स को, वो सब उससे रिलेट करते हैं सारे सेंटेंसेस, सब चीज़ें, isn't it? तो distributive pronouns are those which shows that the person or things are taken one at a time or in a separate group. Suppose जो इकट्ठे किसी चीज़ को लेना या कुछ ग्रुप्स में करना, तो वहाँ पर क्या आता है? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना. ठीक है? तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल each refers to two or more persons taken one by one. Fine. And neither is of course the negative of either. Either means one or the other. Each of them got a prize. Each is what? It is a distributive word. Each. Neither, either. What are these? These have a distributive quality in them. These are the distributive pronouns. Next is the last one, which is the reflective or the emphatic pronoun. Reflective pronoun. Reflective pronoun. Reflective pronoun or the emphatic pronoun. Pronoun in which the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject itself are called reflexive pronouns. ये क्या होते हैं? वो pronouns हैं जो आपकी जो action है वो subject को reflect करती है. जैसे I injured myself, वो अपनी ही बात कर रहा है. ठीक है? उसमें I भी use हो गया, myself भी use हो गया. He himself insulted her. He and himself. You hurt yourself. Fine. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? I injured myself. तो यहाँ पर हमारा क्या word है? Reflective में myself. ठीक है? Himself, himself. So myself, himself and themself. और क्या होगा? Itself. Itself. Fine. Itself. Herself. 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 And then it will be yourselves. Yourselves. Ourselves. Ourself. So what are these? These are the reflective pronouns, fine, which emphasizes to convey something. So when you say themselves, itself, herself, तो ये क्या करते हैं? ये उनको emphasize करते हैं, ठीक है? So these are the different kind of pronouns. So I would request all the cats out there, please आप इनको ये different kind of pronouns जो हैं ये explain कीजिए. इनके जो words हैं उनको jumble कर दें, and then you can ask them कि how to make a sentence out of it, or you can put some sentences in front of them and ask them what kind of a pronoun has been used there, so that in a small little game or an exercise way they can learn different kind of pronouns. Till then, take care. Thank you.